Something is wrong with my camera, guys. If you can't see me clearly, it's because something is wrong with it.
Actually, something is wrong with South Carolina.
But yes, something is wrong with South Carolina. It's not even funny. The chargers are not working. The chargers that were working before, now they're like acting like they have mental issues and stuff. Like it's even in the, we tried it in the car too. It wasn't the same freaking thing. Like I don't understand. I don't understand South Carolina. They are homophobic. They are racist. I mean, not all of them, but. Maya is finding it difficult to poop.
I should start on YouTube, you asshole.
The thing that's not right is that she can't push through.
She cannot push. It's too small. Her body is too small.
I'm done.
What's Maya's YouTube?
What's her YouTube name? I'll find it and I'll put it on the screen. I'll put her YouTube name on the screen. And I'll put her Instagram name too. A Snapchat name.
_@face.
Yeah, art face. That's her Instagram name. I'll put her Snapchat here.
@face with little bottle.
Little bottle.
Okay, whatever nice.
Oh God. Oh God.
Ah! Oh God. August.
Because my whole head is cut. Let's check out your whole clothes.
My whole head is flat at the back. My mom is even making fun of me. My head is like frying pan. Are you sure you're your mother?
Frying pan.
Yeah. At least everybody has their own.
Today is Monday.
Maya said today is Tuesday.
Oh my God, Maya.
I said don't skip. I said don't fast.
Maya, please. My vacation is not over yet. What the hell? Today, I will slap the shit out of you. This is Maya. The little bottle.
Don't destroy me. I'm trying to be famous.
Famous.
A little butthole.
I mean, that's something, you know.
But then,
but
you say you wanted to charge the bottle thingy.
Oh my God, what was it? Which one is that? What's that? Oh, you mean like that? Yo! I can't.
I've been using it from the 21st century. Oh
yeah, shit.
Go back to the 50s, eh?
This section on the end though. You don't matter. At least I caught it. If I didn't get it, then that would have been a problem. I got it at the end of it. I am at the time talking about how much some 12 inches thing going down in there.
Yo, I never said that shit there. I know you got that from.
Why you not hear yesterday when she was like, I want that big one. The big one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. Is the camera off now?
It's off.
Are you lying to me?
It's off. Come check
Why is
it.
he pointing at me?
Come check it. It's not recording. So, that girl already left. Let me tell you guys what we did today. We didn't do shit.
We slept.
We woke up in the morning. Kristen made breakfast. We had breakfast. And then we went back to bed. We woke up at 3 p.m. We didn't see the hair clips.
This is not even moving.
We didn't see the hair clips. And then right now we're just trying to get ready because we're going to see the dolphins. And we're doing the dolphins cruise. I think that's what it's called. And then we're going to the gay club today. I'm so excited. We're supposed to go bowling, but we woke up late, so we can't go bowling because the last cruise for the dolphin is at 6 p.m. so we have to get ready. It's like almost 5 right now, so we have to get ready and go. Tomorrow I'm not sure what we're doing yet, and I didn't vlog yesterday at the club because what happened? Because my camera was messed up. I was so sad. I had to drop it in the trunk to like kind of like let it regroup or something.
Did you realize the
and then
yesterday? I left it
so
I don't have
I left my R2 in the car.
So that means I'm gonna be walking around with my boobs open.
Oh, boobies are boys.
Please, that's small tangerine shit. Anyways, so but I'm gonna I took Snapchat videos, so I'm gonna put the Snapchat videos. I saved it. I'll put it on here somewhere so you can see the little fun that we had.
checking to make sure my ID hasn't fallen off.
Every day I'm shuffling.
We got to have fun though. Yesterday.
We decided to have fun by ourselves.
But the club was not. It was not up to our expectation. It was. I don't know. But we kind of made it fun. So I hope today will be good.
Yo, you know what people in the stuff?
Huh?
You know what people in the stuff?
No, not really.
Okay. So I saw some people yesterday trying to twerk.
Oh
Lord
shit!
Jesus Almighty.
Oh my God! I don't want to show you, but yeah. Oh, we saw some sugar babies and some sugar daddies too.
Oh my God, them sugar babies.
Sugar babies and sugar daddies. Oh my God! It was. Oh my God! I was like, what the
One
hell?
of them, she was a blogger. A sugar daddy is white.
Yeah.
It looks like he's in his like maybe late 60s.
Yeah, it looks like it's late 60s, and the girl is like probably 21.
Yeah, 21. So she was trying to have fun by dancing with all the white guys. They're like, you know, the young guys.
The sugar daddy was nah. I paid for this shit, so you better dance with me.
She was so annoying. She was trying to force
she was trying to dance with other people.
It was so terrible.
Yeah, there was like
honey,
sugar babies and sugar daddies. It's yeah. Yeah, it was okay. It was alright. But I'm looking forward for today.
We're going to
today's cool.
Oh, you're not supposed to meet today, right?
No.
Okay. We're going to pause.
Yeah, we're going to pause.
And Maya said if she gets shot, and one bullet pierced through her body, she's gonna blame
her. She's gonna say it's our fault. Maya, please take your boots inside. We want to see your boots. Ah! I'm traumatized. I'm traumatized. Maya, walking away.
Shit.
Maya.
Thank you.
Maya, go inside.
From my doctor or from my lawyer.
From my lawyer. We're suing you for sexual harassment.
Don't worry, it's called state lawyers. You don't pay money. You don't pay money for state lawyer.
But yeah, because we're going to pause. Remember, if you guys remember, it's pause club that was shot that the shooting thing happened in Florida, and I almost went there. I'm glad I didn't go. But now Maya is saying shit about if we go to this one, they start shooting. Maya is a fool. She's negative as fuck.
Just so you know, I'm gonna blame you the minute the first bullet go through me.
Maya is a fool. Yeah.
And when they start shooting, we're not home.
She said we're not home. That she will find the escape route, and she'll be gone.
Just look out for yourself. I'll be good.
That girl's a
just
fool.
in case.
Very stupid. I don't even know what I want to wear today. Let me see if I could get something out. What are you wearing, Kristen?
Yeah, I can't find the top. So there's a right chance I'm going.
Oh yeah, you said your top is downstairs.
Yeah.
This is my bag. I don't know what I want to wear. Oh, I wear my face cap, the one I bought yesterday. I really like it because it's like the one I bought yesterday that has Myrtle Beach is in the trunk too. It's gonna like I like it because it shows like my locks. It's not like cover the whole thing. But at the same time, like it helps me to stay away from sun, protect me from sun. So let's see what we're wearing today.
I hope nobody comes near me like, why are you wearing this bra? I'll tell them we're not at the beach.
What the hell? What am I wearing?
I mean, what's
today?
the difference between bra and bikini?
I'm sorry. Maya, just pause it real quick. Okay, so Christine is the cause of the reason why our plan changed.
They got punish you. This is so mad.
We're going, what's it called?
No, mini golf.
Mini golf.
You know,
and then we're gonna eat dinner at the Chinese buffet, and then we're gonna go back home, and then we're gonna go back to you don't have to feel like that though.
Put it on me. We just wanna get away. Faded, but it's so classic. Like we bring you back to the 70s. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like that.
Okay, get you some carrots. Maybe some broccoli.
Oh.
Huh?
They don't really have a lot of stuff.
Yeah, that's why it's
Excuse me.
But did you get enough for the first round? Oh, wow. Well, yeah. You're not going to come back for any desserts or anything else?
You want to eat here?
Huh?
You want to eat here? I'm not really full.
We're back in the hotel. Coffee was awesome, guys. It was really cool. And this morning, I never showed you when I was sleeping. These two bastards. They went out and they bought vodka and did like the watermelon infused vodka thingy.
Yes, we did.
Maya's trying to get wasted. I don't know why though. It's not like
I think like they're extracting each other.
Maya's trying to get wasted, but I don't know why because it's not like
Dude, you're about to get wasted too.
You're not gonna get.
When Maya get wasted, you're gonna PT.
I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to see that. Like I don't even want to see that. Like I'll just be like, I'll call the cab for you or Uber to come get you.
Get wasted. I can imagine you get wasted. Just the little drinks you drink. You're on top of the world because you're like always hyper.
What a good thing.
No, it's a good thing. Like for real.
Are you sure, Christian, they will give us a chair if I ask for it?
Yeah, if they have
It's
anything
not
available.
by confirmed, but it's not by
If they have anything available, they will.
Did you show them the view from the damn thing?
No, I've not. So let me just call first.
View is not the best.
What's the number?
No, from the side.
But you can see the beach
Front deck
though.
is 0.
Yeah.
Christina hasn't been out there yet.
I have. I hurt myself out there today.
Oh, can you get me the, what is it called? The bandage when you're done.
I hope I know where it is.
Want to get you
Hi, this is room 604. I'm trying to find out if we can get a chair or two for the balcony. Can we get a chair or two for the balcony? Oh, only the ones. Oh, okay. All right, thank you. That's really stupid.
What did they say?
The rooms on the side don't get chairs. Only the rooms in front of the ocean view get chairs. That's really, I should have brought my own chair.
Go downstairs. You know how
Oh, the club and everything is included because you're moving around.
Just jumping in. That's another stupid twerking shit you'll be
On
doing.
the regular day, I don't exercise that much. Oh, your camera is back to life?
Yeah.
Finally! Kelly!
Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday.
Hello, guys.
Today is Tuesday. Tuesday. I don't know why I said Wednesday. I don't want this to be over, but today is Tuesday.
I'm thinking of visiting.
And we have actually today is kind of more. We're doing more activities today than other days.
Yesterday we didn't do most of it.
Yeah.
Most of
So we're doing the dolphin cruise. We're doing bowling. Then we're renting the bike, ride around, and then we're going to Canon.
Okay, lunch and a gay bar.
And we're going back to the gay what is it called? Pulse. Yeah, we're going back today. We went there yesterday night.
And it was lit.
It was so good.
Kenny didn't do shit though.
It was good. It was good though.
But she didn't do shit.
I just wasn't feeling the songs that were playing.
You still didn't do shit.
But anyways, as I was saying, shut the fuck up.
You still didn't do shit.
As I was saying. And so we're going back there because this old ass nigga wants to continue being a hoe. But I have snaps that I took off yesterday night. You see this idiot and that one too. You see them.
Why is she mad though?
Showing off.
Why is she mad?
I mean, the guys were hard as fuck. So.
Why is she mad?
But they look at this motherfucker. But they will never look at your side though. Even though they're hot.
Jealous
because they're gay as fuck.
I know, right?
Shut the fuck up.
Gay, it's not
Shut
about
the
that.
fuck
It's
up.
about them being sexy.
Maya is horny.
Man, them guys are fine. Look at the ones that was twerking. I was like, Lord Jesus, take the wheel.
Good. Deep.
Damn.
Maya, what the fuck?
No, Kenny, did you really see them twerk? No, that guy was
they were
breaking.
getting it though. They were
I
getting it.
said, yes, boy.
That I know they were getting it. I know that.
Yeah, but Kenny just stood all through, like.
I didn't stand up too. I was gonna dance a
She's
little.
looking for someone to carry home. That's the kind of look.
No.
No.
So now we're getting our milkshake.
Yeah, we're getting our milkshake again. The same one we keep getting every freaking time. We're gonna get fat. But the milkshake is good though. It's really good.
That makes you bring all the boys to our yard.
It brings all the girls to my yard. It brings all the girls to my yard, and you know, it brings all the crocodile to my yard.
Yeah.
And the rattlesnakes.
Yo, she said the lions.
I'm about lions now.
Yeah, that one is not okay, man. Okay, so now
What time are we supposed to get? They said we should get it 35 minutes before, right?
Yeah, we have to be there by 1:45.
So what time is it now?
It's 12:43. That's why I said we get our milkshake.
Deal with it.
I mean, I want to get more darker, but not like this.
Christine.
Yes.
It's been years since I had a change. Always a watch out. Lighter to the gasoline. Oh, couldn't hold me. Now I'm living better days. Hot chick, Jack COVID.
I don't know, because it's not.
Extra your front hat of a magazine. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always got me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful and rare. Let me bring your hair, baby. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love me. Brightest thing I've ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream. Hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, brightest thing I ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream. Lately I've been seeing visions, once in a lifetime. Only us till the end. Oh, put it on me. We just wanna get away. Faded, but it's so classic. Like we bring you back to the 70s. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful.